Welcome back to my myCRMSIM. Thank you so much for sign up. This is a quick guide to show you how you can start sending your messages. So first of all, you need to go to the devices and you need to select the device based on your plan. If you have Android plan, you can add Android device and follow these pop-up steps. And if you have iMessage device, then you can follow these steps. And if you have WhatsApp device, just follow the steps in the pop-up. And if you have RCS device, you can follow these steps in order to add your device. After that, you need to go to the integrations and check which integration you want to use. Like if you want to use HighLevel, then connect HighLevel. And if you want to connect HubSpot, you can connect HubSpot with myCRMSIM. We have plenty of integrations. And after that, you need to go to subaccount sim, and then you need to connect locations. Here you can sync your HighLevel locations, you can sync HubSpot locations or companies, and after syncing those, you can bring into myCRM just by connecting toggles and refresh, and you will see this workspace or location or company here. After that, you need to assign your device to this company or sub account. You need to go to subaccount sim, and here you need to add your device to this sub account. If you have iMessage device, just click on blue button. If you have WhatsApp, then click on this green button. And if you have SMS device, just select the sim from the drop down menu, and for the RCS and Twilio. And then you need to select the message routing. Based on your plan, you can select iMessage, WhatsApp, RCS or SMS. Make sure to set them in priority 1. After that, you can send your messages from myCRMSIM, or you can send the messages from your third party, like you can send from HighLevel or HubSpot. And if you don't want to use any third party integration, you can create your own workspace in myCRMSIM. Just go to manage workspaces and click on add workspace. After filling these details, you can see your workspace like here. And then you need to go to subaccount sim, and in connect locations, you need to turn on that specific location or workspace, and it will be shown to your workspace. You can see that my second workspace is also available. I can select it, and I want to send messages. I can go to contacts and conversation, and will create my new contact and will start my conversation with that contact. And I can set up the pipelines as well, and I can create tasks. I can use lead captures, I can use automations, and I can use AI dashboard as well. These are all available in myCRMSIM. And if you want to send messages from your third-party integrations, just go to their conversations and you can send the messages from there. Like if I want to send from HighLevel, I'll click connect, login. I need to select my sub account here. After selecting my sub account, I need to go to the settings and then to the phone system. Here I'm going to set my service provider. Click on save. If I have SMS, WhatsApp, iMessage, I will select this. If I have iMessage plan, I will be selecting this custom provider. After saving, I need to go back to my conversation or contacts, and I will open that contact. I will send message here. If you're sending from any channel like WhatsApp, iMessage, SMS, you need to make sure that you have selected only SMS. The whole routing process is on myCRM side, so you don't need to worry about it. You just need to type here message and you can send from here. So that's the quick setup guide. I will attach all the relevant links of the proper detailed steps. Like if you want to add any device, I will attach the video and article link. Thank you.